Good morning, everybody. Nice weather, raining outside. Yeah, inside cozy with the heater. Okay, so today we have Acer laptop. Grab my glasses. Okay, so the model number is a Lenovo IdeaPad 11015AST or 80TR, 80TR. I'm going to show you how quickly you can replace the LCD screen. If it's not working, not showing anything, no display, machine turning on, but no display. So most of them, 80-90% is a LCD screen, 10% sometimes graphic card. If you try to check with the external monitor with the HDMI or VGA, you can verify is it the screen or the graphic chip. So I checked already, so this is the screen. I'll show you how quick you can change it. It's a quick job as long you have a screen. I'll make sure the screen, I'll show you the points we have to check. Let me just move the camera down, start the job. Okay, so this is the laptop and the screen is not working at all. So let's break it down like this. Just adjust a little bit camera. It have a locks here. Just pull like this. Don't pull so hard because the lock will break after that. So careful. And then flip it a little bit down this lock here. Main cover will just come up. See, there's a lock here. Lock here also. The lock on the main top of the screen. Yep. That's a magnetic magnet. It will be turn off your screen. Screws. There are screws for 1, 2, 3, 4. Just take it out, flip nicely. Careful. So there is a jack here. Just take off the script and just pull it down. Okay. So it's a 30-pin screen. See, there is a points here. I'll show you closerly a little bit. Yeah. So with the jack here, this is the main thing. You have to find the jack, and then plus there's a number also. I think I'll show you the number if you can see that. Yeah, that's a model number of the screen. And you can find this model number, and this is also pin. Also, you can find by number, model number, or the pin number as well. So you will find the similar screen. So it's so messy, dirty screen. Let's see. Let me get the new one. Okay, so just pick up the screen. And yeah, see. Perfect shiny one. Okay, nicely flip it. Just make sure the power is off, because if the power is there, so sometimes the screen will goes damaged. So just carefully just tape it and try to put some extra tape on top of it. Will they make it more stronger? If you want, you can put the date on it. Today is 25 November 2021. At least for my memory. So put it nicely back. Okay, so before is when this screws everything, I have to test it one time. So make sure it should be. Let me just move a bit of the camera more down so at least you can see. So let's see. Bismillah. Perfect. Here you go. So screen is working okay. So when it started, we will do what? We'll just try to be screwed back. Let's restart it. So this screws. Give me a second. And then there you go. So perfect. You can check the brightness now. Just give me a second. Okay, so everything is working perfect. Now we just try to fit this the front cover. This is a little bit tricky here. Just careful. For the back lock, you just prefer to just lock it. Something prettier. because the cable was out. So put the nice cable back. If the cable is not correct, the block will not go in their places. Perfect. Now this is okay. Right. Perfect. This is working excellent. Awesome. Okay, let me move the camera up. That was a simple method how to replace and test the screen. I hope you like the video. Share it, maybe somebody need this help so we can help each other. Like and share it maybe. Take care of yourself. See you in the next job. Bye bye.